100 years ago, Professor John Charles Fields, right here in Toronto, had the vision that mathematics was a global asset and that humanity could unite around mathematics to solve the problems that concern all of us. Today, 100 years later, we have followed his vision to establish collaborations, partnerships amongst mathematicians around the world to solve the problems arising from the Sustainable Development Goals of the United Nations. This is the Fields Institute. This is a staircase in the shape of a helix, the DNA of mathematics. The Fields Medal is the highest honor a mathematician can earn today, named after Professor John Charles Fields. Carbon emissions, biodiversity, climate change, world hunger, the efficient use of water resources, all of these are complicated challenges that humanity faces.
If you go to the interface between disciplines, there's all sorts of things.
Water is the essence of human life. Most of the sustainability goals are water dependent. These animals that we love, the creatures in Africa and all of that, they're all dependent on water. Water that feeds rivers. And so we human beings aren't treating water with respect.
Technology with math at its core is going to be one of our basic tools to be able to achieve those targets.
Monitoring of water, our sampling of water, our doing chemical analyses, because the implications are off in the future. So water disrespect is basically the lack of gathering information about water. Maybe every school should be growing some plants where the water is critical. So we have to change our whole educational system and our whole outlook so that water is key.
Water is the number one problem.
We have to do it now because we've got a globe with 8 billion people.
From here in Toronto, Canada, Shanghai, China, Spain, I'm Professor Luis Seco, Chair of the Center for Sustainable Development of the Fields Institute and the Director of the Mathematical Finance Program at the University of Toronto. And I want to invite everybody, universities, companies, governments, to join our mission.